Hello everyone! Today we're going to be talking about the Green Leaf Naturals amazing aloe vera eczema and psoriasis cream with Manuka honey. I am so excited about this. This is probably my favorite product. Don't tell the others. If you have eczema or psoriasis, you know the struggle. Everyone has their spots they always get it in. I get it right here. Using this every day has cleared it all up. When you combine aloe vera with Manuka honey, you get something super powerful. And just so you know, Manuka honey is super special. It is found only in New Zealand from bees that pollinate the Manuka bush. Even if you don't have eczema or psoriasis, this is just an amazing cream for reducing redness. It stops any itching on your skin that you may have. This is packed with vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. And watch how quickly it absorbs. That's it! Even out your skin tone and actually repair your cells in the process. I use this all the time and I love it. This really works.